Hello, and today this is the first one, and we are going to be doing some scratch. We are going to be we're going to be building like kind of a racetrack. Yeah, and basically, first of all, so you've got your sprite in the corner, and I just want you to click that delete button because that is no longer. Because then it should come up with your stage. Because look, it says stage select no motion blocks. Now I want you to go onto this button and click paint. Okay, basically, and it will always come up with 2. I want you to delete backdrop 2 and leave backdrop 1 because I want no, first of all click convert to bitmap, and basically I want you to click onto kind of like a paint can which has got a bit leaking out. Go on to fill, click that down arrow and get kind of a nice dark green in because we really like, yeah, so kind of around this colour, and then just click on this and it should be fine. Now let's go on to the rectangle. Once you've done that, just saying guys, you may need to pause as if you are doing this like straight off, because you might need to pause to do that thing. That is totally fine. Now with the green, I found this quite easy. You just pull that to grey here, and then you just pull this about to 88 on here, 0 here, around 48 on here, and it has to be like kind of dark pink here, and yeah, it has to be on filled. And then basically you just get some squares, or a really long rectangle going along the top. Okay, so then like there's kind of like a light, really light blue going along the side, because then you just click on that and then it should stop. Just click on that again just in case. And basically, and then you go down. So then you kind of got like, if you like twist your head, it's to the right 90 degrees. It's kind of in an L shape then. Just saying, just then it's easier. And then if it's easier, and then just, I won't do this straight away, but just in case if it's easier, just basically just do the same. And then you just let the blue bits come. You see, I did kind of bad positioning with it, so just moved it there a bit. Happy with that now. So then here, just make like kind of square that goes like this. And then this is the part that I struggled with when I was making it. Okay, yes, like probably just make it about that long for you. So then just click on that again once you're happy. Now then just do the same again here. That's nice, and then I've left tiny gap there, but I don't want that, so let's just, and that's that part done. Now this is the complicated part for you guys. As once we've done this, we'll get onto the coding, which oh wait, no, because we still got to do some designing after this. Also, I didn't do that perfectly, so then I'm just gonna go down really far, just a bit more to the right, because I don't think that's thick enough. There we go. Now I might be cheeky and go to there, but then I will add something that will just kind of make it look like an amazing turn. Okay, so just click on that again. Okay, so that's that part done. Now I'm just gonna grab my brush and I'm going to use my red. Okay, so and make this a turn. Okay, so basically guys, we're just gonna make some turns going. Then there's another turn there and another turn there. So there's also a turn there. By the way, guys, your car can drive over these two on the corners if you look at my mouse, because that's kind of bad. By the way, guys, this is for like the people who are amazing at Scratch, like me. Okay, so if you're great at Scratch, this is for you. This is as this YouTube channel is for you. Okay. Just in case. Oh, that went wrong. Okay. As it's just like once you've drawn something, it will take quite a while to come up on the main screen, but don't worry, that's fine, because as long as all of your drawings have come up before you move on to anything else. So that is that bit done. So good job, you guys. If you did that well. So then basically we don't need to code the background at all. Okay, so yeah, so that is our background for the moment. Now then, this is where we get a sprite done, but it's not going to be kind of one of the sprites, because it's just you get. So okay, so we're going to go onto the paint tool again. Okay, so this one. Okay, so just go onto costumes, and perfect thing is, it is on the right color. Again, please click convert to bitmap. Now then, we're going to need a line, and we're going to need it in grey. Around the same grey that we use, please, because you know that's nice. And remember, once it gets to pink, that is good. So yeah, just do that, and first of all, just make an axle. Okay. If you're also a car lover like me, then this is, because it's just then this is the one to do. Now then, I'm just gonna use this, and I'm just gonna switch it to black because I need black for this one. We're going to make a tire. You know, before we do that, let's make another axle, okay? Because you know we're going to have Okay, yeah, so as you can see, it's there, but don't worry, once we've got it, we can move it. So far, this is all part of one. Now, I think we will do the wheels now for this. Great. Ooh, did that a bit too big. But just don't worry. And by the way, if you're not that good at Scratch, don't worry, give it a try. Give it a try, because Scratch is for anyone. Okay, Scratch is for anyone. It doesn't matter what age you are. Scratch is for anyone. So look at that. So we now to our main body of the car. Oh, just saying. So go on to the red. Again, just move up to there. Bit too light. Move it. No. So then just pull it down a bit to there. Now. Got that, which I think is perfect. Just didn't put it in the right place. There we go. That is perfect. Perfect. As a cat lover would say. Now basically, just do it about this stick. If you guys have already guessed what we are making, then it is amazing. Well, because it's simple what we're making on here, but it isn't as simple as you guys would assume. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So now we built that. Yeah. Okay. So now we built that. Now we're just going to add this little side bit. Now this probably gives it a dead giveaway of what it is. Just saying, you guys. So it's not because just not a normal car would have this. Okay, guys. So just saying. And now then, last one. We're just gonna have it like this. Hey, let's just take. Oh, wait, not that much. There we go. And there we go. Oh, not that much either. There we go. And then that's way too thick. Now then, now I can tell you what we are painting on this. If you would like to say, we are building a race car right here. By the way, this is a racetrack. By the way, that is what we are making. So get a really kind of dark red, and then do a section of this. Okay, it doesn't have to be too obvious, but it isn't obvious on my drawing piece on here, but then where I'm doing it on the track, that is quite obvious, but that's perfect. Now I want you to use your circular tool, and I want you to change it to a nice lovely yellow. Okay, as bright as you can go. Okay, and right in the middle of your car. Oh, let's make that a bit bigger. Should make it actually look like one, by the way. Saying. There we go, that is perfect. By the way, you guys can think that the yellow circle is anything. It can be a helmet. It can be whatever you like, basically. So then, let's change the size to... What should we change the size to? I will change it to 10. You guys can do the same. Okay, so then look at how small it is. It's a little bitty race car. There we go, so it is at the start and finish line. Okay, we will add a black line here for you guys, then you do know that it is the start and finish line. Okay, now, basically, we have got to do some coding now for this one. Should be very exciting, if you guys like the coding parts of Scratch. I do. In my class, I am basically the person who helps everyone with their technology. Wait, so isn't it? Yeah, so it's on events. So when this is clicked, so when my green button up here is clicked, go on to looks, set size to 10. Where is it? Right, so as you can see, it comes with 100. Change it to 10 for me. Thank you for that. As it's just now, that would be great. Sorry for that. Now, motion. Everybody loves the motion. Motion is probably the most used one, I would say. As I would probably say. Now, go to X. Okay, so do that, and you will need to change both numbers to minus 150 in the first one, and then in the second one you will need minus 140. Okay, so as you can see, sorry about my dog. As you can see, we have the minus. So x is bigger than y only by 10. Well, technically minus 10. Okay, so that is that bit done, and then we will need to stay in this one, and it will point in. We can leave it as it is. So we can just move straight on to the next one. Now, I have a feeling that this one is in control. It is. Now, you will need to take forever for this one. Forever. Now then, you will need if in the middle of this. And then you will need if after the if. Okay? So that is 2 ifs in there. 2 ifs in there. Okay? Good job. 2 ifs. You can't put 1, you got to put 2. Okay? What's one of 1? 2. Simple. You do 1, then just add another 1. Equals 2. Simple. Now, in the if, we need to go to sensing. We're working on the first if. If it, right, we need to do key, and we need to put it right in here. Okay, so if I just shove that in there, then look, it's amazing. Now then, from space, you need to change it to left arrow. Don't know why, that's just what it is. It's what is easiest. By the way, guys, I am doing this from a book which is called 25 Scratch 3 Games for Kids, a playful guide to coding. Because I'm good at this. I'm good at this stuff. Okay, I haven't said this yet. It's the first time that I will say this in my channel. Subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll need my... Guess what? Oh, we have to change it. Sad. But we need to change it to 5. Just a normal 5. Now then we need to use the other. And guess what? Okay. Now guess. Okay, guess which number it is. Guess which number we'd put in this one. I'll give you 30 seconds to comment down below which one. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 15 Mississippi, 16 Mississippi, 17 Mississippi, 21 Mississippi, 22 Mississippi, 23 Mississippi, 24 Mississippi, 25 Mississippi, 26 Mississippi, 27 Mississippi, 28 Mississippi, 29 Mississippi, 30 Mississippi. Guess what? It's 5! What a surprise. There has been tons of 5s in this. Okay, so that is at... So, click my left arrow. Oh, it won't do anything. Oh yeah, because we're in green flag. I'm turning it. Oh. Now then we are turning. Now let's click my stop. Okay. I'm just gonna click stop. Then put that to the side because we are going to need to grab another events. Oh my gosh. It's another events. Probably events is also used quite a lot. So now then we're going to need when something is pressed, so in this case it's going to be when up arrow key pressed, what will happen? We will find out in a second. Now then, we will need control. Control. I'm going to need repeat until. I'm going to need operators. I will need not, which will then go in here. And then I will need to go on to sensing. And I will need when this colour is touching this. Okay, and it is too big. Now then, what will go? Move 3 steps. Let's move 3 steps. Now, so then you will need to go into motion. Motion. And you will need move 10 steps. But you will need to change it to, you guys are probably going, stop saying 3. I mean 5. But I'm afraid it's not 5. It's not 4. It's not 2. It's not 1. It's 3. Yes, it is 3. And now then, with this one, you guys are probably going, it's 3. It's not 3. It's not 2. It's not 1. It's not 4. It's not 5. It's not 6. It's not 7. It's not 8. Or it's not 9. Or it's not 10. It is not 0. It is -3. Hey, so I kind of tricked you guys, but then I didn't. So you guys kind of got it right, but then you didn't. Just saying. You guys can get angry at me. Okay, so that is the coding done for this. And by the way, you can change, just saying we're going to add another car. Click duplicate. Okay, basically, so first of all, we're just running this one for the moment. Now then, you will need to go onto the paint selection for this one. And by the way, just whilst that's loading up, just gonna say you got, and also click convert to bitmap. Bitmap. Just saying, guys. Abby. Just saying, guys. You can change the left arrow to Z. You can change the right arrow to X, and you can change up arrow to S. Crazy stuff. You can also change them to tons of different stuff, but I have chosen. Okay, so then you're just going to need to do the paint filter again. Now then, this time you are going to need to use purple. Okay, so click on that and bam! We have my purple race car right next to my red, and that is it done. Maybe in a new video I will show you guys the race, but for now that's it. Goodbye.